Well, I'm back again at the workbench with my Monogram 41 Willy's pickup. It's been a couple of weeks. I haven't really done much. Had kind of a slow time here. I kind of lost interest in the build, I guess, for a while. Trying to get my interest built back up again, get back at it. I'll have a little quick video after this just to show what I've done with the paint. But so far I've got the engine and drivetrain in, the wheels on. Like I said, especially the wheels don't fit inside the tires very well, especially on the front. They're very loose. I had to put some contact cement on the rims and put the tires over them, and it's been sitting for a couple of weeks. Seems to be solid now. Everything is sitting well. I say the paint turned out well. I've got the seats and the roll bar, the gear shift, seat belts are a decal that went on, the pedals and so forth. So I'll continue on with the assembly process. Okay, I'm back here in the paint booth, and I've just sprayed the second coat, a couple of heavy coats over top of the first coat that I just kind of went around the edges of the Tamiya translucent blue. I just sprayed out of the bottle with a couple of drops of retarder. Just letting that dry a day or so, and then I'll coat that with a couple of coats of future to seal it up, and then I can begin the assembly process. So I'm happy with it so far. It's looking pretty good.